wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Benefits of Ayatul Kursi. Ayatul Kursi, the 255th verse of Surah Al Baqarah in the Quran, hold a unique and respectful status in Islam. Its recitation is not only a practice deeply embedded in the heart of Muslims, but is also associated with a multitude of spiritual and protective benefits. Here are some of the importance and benefits associated with reciting Ayatul Kursi. Table of Contents: Divine protection, guardian against evil, enhancing faith, Iman, angelic presence, intercession on the day of judgment, forgiveness of sins, cure for illness, peace and tranquility. Connection with the divine, educational significance. And last one is conclusion. Divine protection. Reciting Ayatul Kursi is believed to involve the protection of Allah. The verse emphasizes Allah's sovereignty over the heaven and the earth, assuring believers to His encompassing protection. Guardian against evil. Many Muslims recite Ayatul Kursi as a mean of seeking protection from evil forces, including jinn and harmful creatures. It is considered a powerful spiritual shield. Enhancing faith. Reciting Ayatul Kursi regularly can strengthen one's faith and belief in the oneness of Allah. The verse encapsulates the greatness of Allah, reinforcing the fundamental tenets of Islamic theology. Angelic presence. It is believed that angels surround those who recite Ayatul Kursi. This presence of angels is considered a source of comfort and protection. Intercession on the Day of Judgment. According to some tradition, reciting Ayatul Kursi after every obligatory prayer may result in Allah's protection until the next prayer, as well as intercession on the Day of Judgment. Forgiveness of sins. Seeking forgiveness is another benefit associated with reciting Ayatul Kursi. The verse underscores Allah's mercy and forgiveness, and believers recite it with the hope of having their sins pardoned. Cure for illness. In some tradition, Ayatul Kursi is recited as a form of ruqya, spiritual healing for those who are unwell. It is believed to have a positive impact on physical and spiritual well-being. Peace and tranquility. Reciting Ayatul Kursi is believed to bring about a sense of peace and tranquility to the heart. Many Muslims recite it before sleeping, trusting in Allah's protection throughout the night. Connection with the divine. Ayatul Kursi serves as a mean for believers to connect with Allah. Reciting this verse allows Muslims to reflect on the attribute of Allah, fostering a closer relationship with the divine. Educational significance. The verse encapsulates profound theological concept, making it a valuable tool for Islamic education. Memorizing and reciting Ayatul Kursi is an essential part for a Muslim education journey. This is the Arabic text of Ayatul Kursi. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. Ayatul Kursi, with its majestic description of Allah's sovereignty and profound meanings, stand as a beacon of guidance and protection in the lives of Muslims. The spiritual, emotional, and physiological benefits associated with its recitation highlights its enduring importance in the Islamic tradition. As believers continue to seek refuge in the word of Ayatul Kursi, they find not only a shield against adversity but also a path to a deeper, more meaningful connection with their creator. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.